In 2021, with COVID affecting the availability of just about every major appliance brand, finding a good, reliable dishwasher can still feel impossible. Some of the top picks from our previous videos are no longer in stock, so in this video, first we'll walk you through the best dishwashers that are readily available today, and then we'll cover models that are worth waiting for if you have time to spare. Hi, this is John with Designer Appliances, New Jersey and New York's premier appliance showroom. As the experts, we're here to help, so if you're struggling to select a dishwasher or create your dream kitchen, call us, visit our showrooms, or leave a comment below and our team would be happy to help. When choosing our best dishwasher models, we based our assessment on factors like washing and drying performance, noise level, capacity, and design. We'll start with our top 3 picks of dishwashers that are in stock and readily available today. This list includes some brands you may not recognize, but we feel confident these picks represent the best of the best available today at any budget. First up, our top pick for a dishwasher you can actually buy today is the Miele G4228SCUSS at $9.99. Regardless of availability, Miele is often one of our top dishwasher recommendations. The G4228 is Miele's entry-level dishwasher, which might surprise you given the $1,000 price tag. But don't let its entry-level status fool you. This dishwasher features the same build quality as the rest of the Miele lineup, albeit missing some bells and whistles. For starters, the G4228, like all Miele dishwashers, was built to last and is tested and designed to perform for 20 years. The industry standard is about 10 years. Take that into consideration when evaluating the upfront cost. While we can't guarantee this longevity, on average, it should last about twice as long as most new dishwashers. The G4228 has a full control panel, which makes it easy to select your cycle and see how much time is left. And the front has a fingerprint-proof stainless steel panel, which actually makes a big difference. I have mostly Miele appliances in my house, and we never really notice fingerprints, and that's with 2 young kids that touch everything. This model is very quiet at 46 decibels. For most people, this will feel like a major improvement over an older dishwasher. When it comes to cleaning, Miele excels. All Miele dishwashers have a 3-rack design with a bottom rack, upper rack, and a 3rd row cutlery tray. The cutlery tray replaces the traditional cutlery basket typically found in the bottom rack of most dishwashers. This frees up valuable space in the bottom rack for more dishes, pots, and pans, while giving you greater ability to organize and separate your silverware in the top rack. And since your silverware is evenly spaced apart, you'll get better cleaning results than with everything stacked on top of each other in a basket. Each of the 3 racks have their own dedicated wash arm, including a full-width wash arm on the 3rd rack to ensure all of your silverware gets clean, even at the edges. For drying, Miele utilizes condensation instead of a typical heating element, which gives a lot of people hesitation when they first hear about it. The problem with heating elements is they're typically the first thing that breaks on a dishwasher. They use a ton of energy, they can melt plastics and damage your dishes, and they bake on remaining food while also causing water spots. Condensation drying is much gentler than a heating element, and when used in conjunction with rinse aid, works about 95% as good. So how does it work? The dishwasher uses very hot water as a final rinse, and when the cycle's done, the hot interior temperature of the dishwasher cavity causes water to evaporate off your dishes, onto the sides, and down into the drain. Since there's no heating element, it's safe to put your plastics anywhere, even on the bottom rack, since you don't have to worry about them melting. This works great most of the time, but plastics in particular can get tricky to get dry since plastic doesn't retain heat like dishes do. If you frequently wash a lot of plastic, Miele's auto open feature on their higher end models helps to enhance the drying process even further. The G4228 has all the basic wash cycles you'd expect in a modern dishwasher. Normal, pots and pans, sanitize wash, express wash, and rinse and hold. The only downside to this model is that you won't enjoy many of the luxury features that are available in Miele's newest dishwashers. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly dishwasher with great performance and reliability, this is a great pick. Next up is Asco's entry-level 30 series dishwasher, the DBI663IS, which is our most popular Asco model at $8.99. This dishwasher features hidden controls in the top lip of the dishwasher and a sleek, neutrally designed pocket handle that will blend into any kitchen design. With the 30 series, you get all the features that make Asco great. For starters, turbo dry is standard, giving you great drying results and less time compared to other similar brands. Turbo dry is also a condensation dry like Miele, but with the added benefit of having a fan circulate the moist air out of the dishwasher. This dishwasher is very quiet at 42 decibels, which is great if you have an open floor plan or your kitchen is next to other living spaces. With the 30 series, cleaning is stellar. All Asco dishwashers have stainless steel wash arms, including a full-width wash arm for the upper cutlery tray, as opposed to a smaller spray nozzle on some other competing brands. And for really caked-on messes, Asco has these individual high-pressure nozzles. Unlike other brands that only include basic wash cycles on their entry-level models, all Asco dishwashers come with the same 11 wash programs, including your normal cycle and a quick cycle, which would do most of the work. But you also get a crystal setting for delicate glasses and a sanitized cycle, which is designed to remove bacteria and odors from things like baby bottles and cutting boards. Loading capacity is great on the 30 series. The bottom and upper racks give you a ton of flexibility, and the narrow width third rack takes the place of a traditional cutlery basket without blocking your ability to load tall glasses. Installation flexibility is a prime reason to consider Asco. Its total height can go as low as 32 3/4 inches, which makes it one of the most versatile dishwashers on the market and able to fit into just about any cabinetry opening. Most standard base cabinets offer 34.5 inches of clearance to the bottom of the countertop, but if you have shorter custom cabinets or an older sagging countertop, you might not have the space to fit a standard height dishwasher. We especially find this helpful with tricky flooring situations, especially if your home has a new floor installed on top of an old floor. Next up is our favorite budget dishwasher that you can actually buy today from Beko. Let's be honest, at Designer Appliances, we're appliance nerds, so we have a hard time recommending a budget dishwasher. However, we do understand that not everyone's looking for the top-of-the-line performance, and some people just want something that can clean dirty dishes and make the chore of washing dishes a little bit easier. The Beko DUT25401X is that pick. Beko is a newer brand you might not have heard of, but don't let that scare you. Beko's actually one of the largest appliance brands in the world. They just recently begun expanding into the US, but have made a major investment to ensure that they have the support network to back up their great products. We recently just started carrying Beko and have been very impressed. This model offers a ton of great features with an impressive price tag that dips to about $500. For a $500 dishwasher, this is actually a really good product. It's quiet at 48 decibels and has a stainless steel interior tub, which is an upgrade over the plastic tub you typically find on dishwashers at this price point. The interior baskets are also impressive for the price point. Both the upper and lower baskets feel very sturdy and well made. The upper basket is even height adjustable. We're going to be doing a deep dive review on all Beko dishwasher models soon, but so far, we've been extremely impressed with the quality of their products. So that covers our top picks that are available to buy today, but what if you're willing to wait? Have questions yet or need help deciding? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and check out the description for more information about our top picks. If you want to save a little money over the Miele and are willing to wait, our top pick for most people is the 500 series dishwasher from Bosch. When friends and family ask us which dishwasher to get, this is typically the model we recommend. If you're willing to wait and are in the New York and New Jersey area, stop by or give us a call and we'd be happy to save a spot for you in line for one of these models. The 500 series is packed with great features and offers some of the best reliability around. At $899, it's not cheap, but when considering all that it offers, the 500 series is a great value. This beautifully designed dishwasher is available with either a pocket handle, our most popular option, or with a bar handle. Bosch is known for their quiet dishwashers, and this model is no exception. At 44 decibels, this dishwasher is made to blend in with your kitchen. In fact, it's so quiet that Bosch beams a discrete red light to the floor to indicate operation. Similar to the Miele we talked about, this Bosch features an auto air dry door, which opens slightly to let extra moisture out at the end of the cycle. If drying is really important to you, consider upgrading to the Bosch 800 series, which includes crystal dry, which we cover in detail on our Bosch review linked in the description below. The interior of this dishwasher is also super customizable, with features like easy glide racks and flex space tines for bulky items. If you have your heart set on this or another Bosch dishwasher, seriously consider looking at Thermador. Thermador is Bosch's luxury brand. They share the same platform with some minor quality improvements. They're a bit more expensive, but if you want a Bosch dishwasher now, Thermador might be your best and only bet. We've included links to our top Thermador picks below. We hope this video has given you a great starting point when it comes to selecting the right dishwasher for your home. Which dishwasher stands out the most based on what you know now? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel where we provide helpful tips and advice that will make you an educated appliance shopper.